Good morning DPS team members. Here I am Neelofer Chalku and I want to convey and explain the steps of forming a Google Classroom with the help of a video, and I hope that you will understand all the steps. Here the video goes. In the first step, we have to simply start our computer or laptop, which one is available with you. In the step number 2, we have to go to search engine, which may be Google or Chrome. Here we used Google. In step number 3, search for application classroom.google.com. In step number 4, the home page of this application will open, which looks like this as shown on screen. Step number 5, here I want to convey an important thing, that you can enter classroom only with your email ID, which can be Gmail. So step number 5, you will find a button, create class, at top. Click it, and for your information, you can name the classroom, for example, class 10th, class 9th, so on and so forth. As we entered the name of the class and the name of the section, we can side by side enter the name of the subject and then room. It can be room number 1, 2, and then you will click on create button. So the classroom is created, and you can see the label of the classroom as class 10th, section A, and class code is also generated. Now proceeding, we will go to students, and you are seeing an icon. We are clicking on the icon and we are inviting the students. For inviting the students, we should have email ID of the students. Here you are seeing the box and you are seeing a label. Type a name And for example, we have typed a name which is an ID of the student. It is Azamwani 155@gmail.com, and in the list you saw the email address displaying, and now you will click on invite button at the bottom right corner. Now you are inviting the student and you are seeing the address given by us is added under the student headings. Teachers, here you have seen that as the student has received the link, so we can open from the student side. We can click on join, and the student belongs to class 10th A in our example, and you will see that the classroom is loading for the student. Now you are seeing the icon respond to student post, and on the top bar you are seeing people. Clicking on the people will give us the name of the student which we have recently added. In our example, it is Azamwani. If we click on actions, we can email the student, we can remove the student, we can mute the notifications or some audios for this student. And now if we go to classwork, there you can see some buttons. For example, create assignments and questions, use topics to organize classwork into modules or units, and third option is order work the way you want students to see it. Going to create and going to question material, going to material, you are seeing a title. In title we have given handout. Handout can be any type of material and it is named as handout 1. And in description we can say something about the video. For example, this is PowerPoint presentation for you. In description, or solve some problems in it. Going again to add button and file, because we are going to attach the file with the attach file button, and it depends on the location of your file, where your file is located. You can select your files from your device and when we have clicked on this button select files, we are going to desktop, and there we have placed a file named handout first. We will open it. You are seeing handout 1.pptx is added on the upper left corner and file is copied. Now you will click on the post. There are saved posts and you are seeing handout 1 is there. Dear teachers, the steps which we have just followed were for the teacher, and now let us see our work at the end of the student. The student's class is there, section is there, and the website address from my email account I have posted the handout Let us try to open this. This is handout 1, and student can open it, the material which he or she has received from the teacher. Now teachers, we have almost finished the process of using and accessing the Google Classroom. At last, I would like to inform that the students can download the Classroom app from the Play Store and follow the same steps to join or access the classroom and join his or her respective class. Thank you.